So starting with the introduction, as you know, the term preventive and interceptive, they usually most use synonymous, right? So what do you understand by the term preventive? Preventive is a thing, हम किसी भी माल occlusion को होने से पहले prevent कर रहे हैं, right? Like in the deciduous age. So when dentition is perfectly normal, okay, like few of the habits, बच्चों को कई बार हैबिट्स होते हैं लाइक थंब सकिंग, माउथ ब्रीदिंग, तो उसके कारण लेटर ऑन स्टेजेस में जो माल अक्लूजन होगा उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम पहले ही कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द प्रिवेंटिव ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स. नाउ व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म इंटरसेप्टिव? किसी भी सिम्टम को हम अगर नहीं कर पाए इन प्रिवेंटिव स्टेज, सो उससे हम बीच में इंटरसेप्टिव स्टेज में करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. When signs and symptoms of malocclusion have started, like not in the adolescent stage, in the mixed dentition stage usually, right? So interceptive is when you are not able to treat the patient in the preventive stage. So rather than doing a fixed ortho treatment, we can get it correct in the interceptive period. Okay? So the definition, interceptive orthodontic have been defined as that phase of the science and art of orthodontics employed to recognize and eliminate potential irregularities and malpositions of the developing dentofacial complex. This definition is given by the Graeber. Now, what are the procedures that we are going to complete in our lecture for the interceptive orthodontics? So, what are the procedure? The first is the serial extraction. Second is your correction of developing crossbite. Third is your control of habit. Fourth is your space regaining. Next is your muscle exercise. Last one is your removable of your bony tissue or the soft barrier. Okay? So, starting with the serial extraction. So, Gellergren in 1925 coined the term serial extraction. This is an important question and usually asked in your MCQs, right? The second is in 1940, Nance popularized the term in USA and termed it as planned and progressive extraction. That is father of serial extraction. So who is the father of serial extraction? Is Nance. In 1940, he popularized the term in USA. Okay? In 1970, Hertz called it as active supervision of teeth by the extraction. So keep it in mind because these are the few questions that usually being asked in your MCQs. Okay? So it is an interceptive orthodontic procedure usually initiates in the early mixed dentition, as I told you, when one can recognize and anticipate potential irregularities in the dentofacial complex. Correction can be done by a process which includes the planned extractions of certain deciduous teeth followed by the specific permanent teeth, right? To guide the eruption of the teeth in a more favorable position. As we all know, sometimes the teeth are not erupted into the favorable position. So if we already know that that particular teeth is not going to erupt in that favorable position, what we can do? We can go for the extractions of deciduous tooth followed by the permanent tooth, right? So what are the principles? The arch length and tooth material discrepancy. Second is your physiological tooth movement. Now we are coming with the indications for the serial extraction. So class 1 malocclusion showing harmony between the skeletal and muscular system, where growth is not enough to overcome the discrepancy between tooth material and basal bone. Arch length deficiency as compared to the tooth material is the most important indication. I am going to take the lecture on your model analysis in the next part. So you're going to understand it much better with that what is a arch length discrepancy and a total tooth material. Okay? absence of any physiological spacing, unilateral or bilateral premature loss of deciduous canine with the midline shift, marked crowding of upper or lower anteriors, buccally or palatary erupting lateral incisors, localized recession of the gingiva, ectopic eruption of the teeth, abnormal eruption sequence, and the ankylosis. So these are the indications for the serial extraction. Now coming to the contraindications of serial extraction. So in class 2 and class 3 malocclusion, it is contraindicated. Spaced dentition, midline diastema, anodontia, mild disproportion between the arch length and tooth material. There should be a marked disproportion between the arch length and the tooth material. Advantages there are the treatment is more physiological, reduces duration of multi-banded treatment for as in the fixed ortho treatment. Psychological trauma can be avoided. Better oral hygiene, as you all know, with the fixed ortho treatment, most of the patient is not able to keep their oral hygiene, maintain that oral hygiene good. So with the interceptive orthodontics, we can get a better oral hygiene. Retention period of treatment is lessened. More stable results are achieved. Now, if there is an advantage, there is going to be a disadvantage, right? So what are the disadvantages? Requires clinical judgment, longer treatment time, patient cooperation is obviously required, it's needed, tendency towards the developing tongue thrust, risk of arch length reduction due to the mesial migration. Okay? So what are the diagnostic records that we are going to take to identify the malocclusion or to judge the case is the intraoral photographs, the cephalometric radiographs, the facial photographs, intraoral photographs, and the study models. Okay? So your diagnostic procedure should involve the comprehensive assessment of dental, skeletal as well as soft tissues. Okay? A tooth material arch length discrepancy must ideally exist. As I already told you, if there is no arch length, tooth material arch length discrepancy there, that is a contraindication for the interceptive orthodontics. So minimum 5 to 7 mm of arch length deficiency should exist. Model analysis should be carried out to know the exact eruption status. Okay? The procedure. Then now we are coming with the procedures of the serial extraction. So usually we follow 3 procedures for the serial extraction. The first is the Devil's method. Second is your Tweed method, and third one is your Nance method.